Here we go. In the snow. Clean this baby off. Let's go see what the roads look like. I need to make some money. This Impala been slow this whole holiday hiatus. This is the first day it's been a surge since, I don't know, I guess probably New Year's Eve. So we gonna see. I got brand new tires. Let's see how it is. Snow plowing that came through here, but it's definitely snow. We ain't seen this type of snow in years. What you guys doing? You gonna go out here and play in the snow too? Or you gonna stay in? I'm sure it's more safe to stay in. There's incidents and spin-offs. I was listening to the news. It was definitely treacherous out there. But I'm gonna see. Probably gonna at least go into DC. Might be worth it, I would assume. It ain't that many drivers out here. And still a couple people need to get from here to there. Stuff like that. So let's see. Get this baby clean. You know, the best thing to clean your car with is a broom. You can sweep it off. Just getting stuck in the snow would be the no-no. It's cold and funky. But I see cars moving. Now I wish I would have went ahead and got that little SUV already. But this is life. I'm from Jersey. This is every year. Or was anyway. When I was a kid, we prayed for snow like this. Just to go play. Got your gloves. Trying to get that snow from in between the windshield wipers so it don't freeze up. All right. Let her warm up for a minute.